What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Crypto Fix presented by btminers, your place for everything crypto. I'm your host, Ant. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Now that's done, let's jump into it. In Bitmain news, make sure you take advantage of our repair service. We know that miners break down from time to time, and being out of warranty can be costly. We offer those repairs you need so you can keep those miners running at top performance. We know that electricity cost is expensive to run these miners, but btminers offer hosting to help ease that cost. You have remote access to your miner, making sure everything meets your standards while you aim to build a better future. Links of these services will be in the description. In our first story, over the weekend, Bitmain announced Antminer S21 Pro Bitcoin miner during the World Digital Mining Summit in Oman. The hash rate is approximately 234 terahash and boosts a much lower energy efficiency of 15 joules per terahash. In other words, this miner is a beast. This announcement comes from Bitmain stating that the S21 are completely sold out as of March 19, 2024. New S21 Pro sets efficiency milestone from previous model, the S21, that delivered 200 terahash and 17.5 joules per terahash. On Bitmain website, the S21 is priced at $6,318 with a release date in Q3 or Q4. With Bitcoin halving coming up in a couple of weeks, what would be the profitability for this miner? In our next story, Goldshell released a new at-home Kaspa miner called the KA Box with a hash rate of 1.18 terahash, making this one of the most powerful home miners for Kaspa, outperforming Ice River, KSO Pro, and KS1. I always love home miners. It's a nice introduction for individuals that want to get into crypto mining but don't have the resources for the industrial miners. Yes, the profitability is not the same as the Antminer KS5 Pro. The home miners are compact, quiet, and doesn't require a lot of space. You can put it right in the corner or somewhere nice as decor and someone forget about it. If you're looking to get into crypto mining or know someone that's looking to get into it as well and don't have the resources, I recommend the home miners. Link will be in the description for the KA Box. Oh yeah, they gave the crypto god himself, Sam Bankman-Fried, 20 years. Isn't life great? This has been the Crypto Fix presented by btminers, your place for everything crypto. Until next time, happy mining.